In this presentation we are going to insert in the user documentation some graphics or pictures. There are three types of ways of inserting those graphics or pictures. One where the text is on the left side of the picture. The other one, the second one, is where the text is on the right side of the picture. And the third one where there is no text on the left or the right of the picture, but only above and below the picture. So, go to Insert, go to Picture, and select the picture you want to insert. Once the picture is inserted, you soon will find, especially if you make it a bit smaller, you soon will find that it actually is in line with the actual sentence. So what we now have to do is go and look at how we are going to wrap the text. Do a right mouse click, do size and position, go to text wrapping, and we use the square of the text wrapping. Once we've done the square, as you can see, the text is now wrapped on the right hand side. If we move the picture over, then the text will be on the left hand side. We are also going to put a caption in, so what we have to do is go and make the distance between the bottom of the picture and the line of text a bit bigger so it can fit a caption. There again we go to a right mouse click, we go to size and position, and if you look at text wrapping, then at the bottom here is some more options. Now what we can do actually, we can also say that the text is wrapped on the left only, and if we click that, then it won't, when we move it, it still will stay on the left. Right, the bottom we give it a little bit more, say 0.5 of a centimeter, we say OK, and now we have the text only wrapped, as you can see, on the left of the picture only. Right, let's now insert caption. And all we have to do is do a right mouse click, go to Insert Caption, and obviously, as you can see straight away, we have to change the formatting of the style of the caption style. But anyway, we give it a letter, we leave it as figure 1, and then we say book reading or whatever we are going to call it. And we say OK, and there it is. Now what we have to do now is change the style of the caption. It already has come up, we go to modify it. It is in Georgia, it is 9, we leave it as that is, but we of course make the text black and we unbold it. And the text is black, and there we are. And now we have a picture with the text on the left and with a caption. Now the next one, we are going to now put in a picture anywhere where the text is going to be on the right. So there we go. Again, insert, and we insert a picture, and let's insert this picture here. We go to Insert, and that is a fairly big picture. We are going to make it smaller by dragging it a bit like that, and there is my picture. Now at the moment it is positioned again in line. You see, there is the line, then there is a space, then the picture, and then another line. So here we go again, right mouse click, size and position, text wrapping, and now the text has to be wrapped on the right side. So we first go to square, and then we say right only, and again we give the bottom a little bit more space so we can put the caption in there. And there we are, it is only on the right. We line it up neatly with the left margin, and the text is now only on the right. Okay, let's put in an caption, and there again figure 2, and now you can see we got the proper formatting, and then picture of me, and we say okay, and there it is, picture of me. Now what is happening is that because of this text box here, it has pushed over the heading 3. What we have to do is either make the picture a bit smaller and then move the picture of me caption up a bit, and there we are. Perfect. Right, the final picture we now have to put in. Oh, we can also make this space between the picture on the right and the text a bit larger. Again, the way you do that is right click on the picture, go to size and position, go to text wrapping, it is on the right, so we make it a little bit larger. There we are, and as you can see, it has created a bigger space there. So you can really format your pictures exactly the way you want it. Now let's do the final one, where there is only a text above and below. Let's pick again somewhere in the middle. Let's do it in between the paragraphs, or somewhere here, and there we go. We go to insert, we go to picture, and let's this time pick something else. And there again, it has placed the picture in line of a sentence. So we go right mouse click, we go to size and position, and we do text wrapping, and we have it now this time top and bottom. Now we have to give the bottom a little bit more space so we can put our caption in. And we can also center it. We go to the alignment tool and we align it in the center, and now the picture is neatly in the center. We are now going to insert a caption, figure 3, and that of course is me and my computer. And there we are. Now what we have seen here is that that caption box is actually sitting on top of the sentence underneath that picture, so we have to create a little bit more space. Right mouse click on the picture, go to size and position, go to text wrapping, and we give the bottom a little bit more space so it can fit the caption, and there we are, it has fit the caption. Now we click on the caption, we want to center that as well. Format, we go to align, and we align it in the center, and there we are. We align the text in the center, so we go home, and the text is now aligned in the center, and everything is neatly aligned. This is how we insert pictures.